our school students who attended Bengaluru Space Expo want to share their views. So now they can share the views. Of 9th class will share her views about 7th Bengaluru Space Expo, which was conducted by ISRO.
Hello everyone, my name is G. Geetika from class 9, Dystars High School. On 7th September, we visited Bengaluru Space Expo by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. In that, we studied and saw so many things about satellites, space, and other things such as rocket launching, defense technology, industrial applications, and exhibitors companies such as Maple Spain by MapMyIndia. It is a 6 characteristic course which give you exact location and navigation, more information about any place. And scientific. This company provides test measurement instruments and power supplies, EMI, EMC solutions, and electrical test measurements. And Medani. This company provides special materials and alloys such as titanium alloys, titanium, specialty steel, super alloys, etc. And Gore. This company provides so many company is Ensil. This company is New Space Indian Launch, has SSLV Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and GSLV Geo Satellite Launch Vehicle. Their functions is they own the satellite and they build the satellite and transfer the technology. And Anant Technology Limited, ATL. They coordinated 70 launch vehicles and 90 satellite vehicles in a year, and they provide lasers, full form light amplification, stimulation, emission, radiation, and optical stimulation, 3D design and model, structural analysis, and thermal analysis. They also give services such as GPS, global positioning system services, GIS, geographic information system services, and also engineering applications and remote sensing services. Also, there is space shuttle external gas. This is used by astronauts in space. In space, there are no gases like oxygen and other gases used for astronauts. So that is special thanks because the oxygen liquid is normal temperature evaporated into gas, so they are compressed or stored in special tanks. And this opportunity only for ATL schools, and we have ATL, that is a big opportunity for us by Nikita ma'am, aerospace director, a young director, and I am so thankful to share my experience with you, and I am thanking for this opportunity and giving us more intelligence and knowledge. Thank you.
Yes. Geetika has given more information about Space Expo, and whatever she has seen and whatever she has observed there. Many things. Many children have come, but some children they could not gather the information, and some could not understand also. But some of our students, they understood very well, and they are able to explain the things very well. So like how the rockets go into the space, how they are sent into the space. Even I also really used to wonder about how they can go to that certain point where that planet is or where they have goal aimed. So when I went there, I also came to know that like GPS, as we keep GPS to go in many big cities or new places, even into the space also, they are using such type of device to go into the space. అలాంటి జిపిఎస్ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉపయోగిస్తామో వాళ్ళు కూడా స్పేస్లో ఆ యొక్క ప్లానెట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందో లేకుంటే ఎక్కడికి వాళ్ళైతే దాన్ని ఏం చేశారో గోల్ చేశారో అక్కడికి పంపించడానికి వాళ్ళు కూడా అలాంటి జిపిఎస్ లాంటి ఉపయోగించారు. దే షోడ్ us some 5-6 types of models they have shown us. So that is very important. So much of information is given. Very good. Still anybody is there? Okay. Omeshwari of 8th class.
Hello everyone, my name is Omeshwari. Today I am going to say about Bengaluru ISRO. Before that we went to Vishweshwara Museum. There are 8 exhibition hall. First one Indian Hall, Science for Kids, Space Technology Gallery, Biotechnology Gallery. So we saw so many things in the exhibition. Special exhibition in Vishweshwara, 3D show, Wright Brothers, Dinosaur Enclave, Science on a Spear, Science for Kids. After that, next day we went to Bengaluru ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. In that we saw so many astronauts, satellites, rockets. We saw so many satellite sensors, rocket sensors, like that. Next, we know about aircraft interior. Aircraft interior means storage means cargo linings, cabin linings, that material used for space. Next we went about Anand Technology Limited. Anand Technology Limited is short form of ATL. This company contributed to 70 launch vehicles and 90 launch vehicles, and functions of ATL: laser, optical simulation, and GPS services, GIS services, 3D and designs, etc. Next, we know about microchips, how satellite used, and we met Gaganyaan sir, director of rocket, director of ISRO, and Nikita ma'am of Astron Space. Types of rockets are Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan. We know about this. And NSIL company. NSIL company means New Space Indian Limited. New Space Indian Limited. PSLV. PSLV means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. GSLV means Geo Satellite Launch Vehicle. SSLV means Small Satellite Launch Vehicle. We know about this, and 29 countries have participated in this. So our school also participated in. Because of we have ATL school, that's why we participated. This was my first opportunity and achievement. Because of Principal ma'am and Divya Jyoti ma'am, I'm very thankful to them. Thank you.
Yes, even Omeshwari also gave us so much of information about Vishweshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. And another one, Sri Durga Naidu of 8th class also.
I'm studying 8th class of B section in Bright Star High School. And in Bright Star High School, we got an opportunity to visit Bangalore Space Expo. The beyond reason visiting Bangalore, our school contained ATL lab, so our school selected to visit Bangalore Space Expo. In this trip, on the date of 6/9/2022, we visited Vishweshwaraya Museum. We had seen many things in that. We visited Indian Hall, Science for Kids, Fun Science Science, Space Technology Limited, Biotechnologies Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, and special exhibitions in Vishwesvaraya Museum, 3D show and Science on Sphere, Dinosaur Enclave, Wright Brothers, and September 7, 9, 2022, we visited Bangalore Space Expo. We had seen aircraft interior, cabin linings, cargo linings, storage bins, and Maple Spring, Map My India, 6 characters code which gives exact location, prices, navigation, and information about any space. And leaf springs, comparison spring, extension spring, tracer, waiver springs, battery springs. These springs are made of copper, bronze, carbon, steel, and silicon. And ATL means Anand Technology Limited. This company launches every year 70 vehicles and 90 satellites, as it being a part of every single space program. And Ensil company. Ensil means India Space. New Space India Limited, PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Geo Satellite Launch Vehicle, and SSLV, Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, Studying in Bright Star High School, we got this opportunity to see all, and special thanks to respected JP, Esther ma'am and Divya ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Sri Durga Naidu of 8th class also shared her views so well. She also gave so much of information about this 7th Bengaluru Space Expo. Really, it was very worth seeing, and that opportunity is also a wonderful, amazing opportunity to our students. So, even others who want to share their views in tomorrow's assembly can give their names. Okay.